Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text character spacing on a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. We know PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and double click on this comment box. Now select your text you want to change character spacing and this right sidebar click on this left direction arrow and here you will find this character spacing option. You can make it to as this character spacing now increases. You will select it 5 and see this character spacing now change. Also I'll change this text character spacing and make it 2.5 and see this. In this you can change a text character spacing and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.